A 1, 2, a 1, 2, here we go. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bell ring. Snowing and blowing and bushels of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime and jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, what a bright time. It's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's the swell time to go gliding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up your feet. Jingle around the clock. Mix and a mingle and a jingling beat. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock. Hey, it's Cory. I hope you enjoyed that playthrough for Jingle Bell Rock. It has a couple little challenging chords in there, but something that I think you will find really great as a challenge, or if you're a little bit more advanced, a great play along that you can go through. If you're at all interested in the lead sheet for this song, I have it available on my Patreon, but if you also think a full tutorial would be helpful for this song, make sure to comment down below and I can get that out to you before the holiday season is over. In this video, I'm featuring the Everjoy's Soprano Rainbow ukulele. I did a full tutorial of this ukulele, but I like to give every ukulele a full shot, so this is an example of, with some effort, you can get this playing through and you can hear what it sounds like in action. If you want to check out the review and see if you're maybe interested in getting this ukulele for yourself, it'll be in the cards as well. I hope you have a wonderful holiday season. There are tons more holiday tunes coming up for you, so make sure to subscribe to this channel if you're not already. That way you always know when I have a new tutorial or music video coming out, so you can be the best musician you can be. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. This ball is in my way.